Camera check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more somewhere. Ah, see there? 8. Camera check. Positive vibes, see? How you say that? Man.
Them camera now. Hands up from everywhere right now. And also for safety. If I hit somebody, it's right there. If somebody hit me, them legs right there. Right there.
You see them contents we are bring for now. So like and subscribe, hit that bell so you can get notified anytime we post. Yeah, like and subscribe. Hurricane song, positive vibes. We're outside. We're outside with the monsters them. We're outside. We're outside. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Anytime we have content, we are share with the world. You can see it. Yeah. See it. Watch out. See it. Yeah, man. See it. Come make we dub it. See it. Up on here. Yeah, man.
Right all the way.
Did some half road, you know. Until right there, you see those gentlemen coming on. Yes, man. Right up that come on the next side. But why? We not take the chance in coming down. No. Didn't take that chance in coming down. Very tempted to come down, but we reach halfway and jump off. We reach halfway and say no. See there?